We're here at a car show at Armadale Auto Parts, the Hot Rod Shop, which I just read on the sign. Yeah, there's lots of cool cars here. There's not many yet, but there'll be lots more.
Number plate.
Oh, you got to talk about the F number plate.
What are you doing?
Main line, Ford main line.
What is that Hyundai doing? They built this thingy in a weekend.
These are not recyclable. This is a guy who comes from Lego Prison. You can see his t-shirt there. It's a Lego Prison one.
This is the Morris that in the
car.
Poxiclip video Dad was sitting on the back of, on the seat,
From
the
this
machine
thing.
gun,
Astrophy.
because it's the kit car, from Knight Rider.
Time traveled here in that car.
We did not, and
It's
I
a
don't know
taxi.
why.
Remember what the last one was? It's on the Land Rover. I think the last one's on the Land Rover.
Is it? It might be on the other side.
It's a lot of stickers.
Oh no, it won't be on this side.
Is it even on this side?
1996 one.
What?
2000, 2001, 2002,
2006.
2003. There's a 2006 one there.
Here's the last one, 2006.
There's another 2006 one there.
Is there a sure?
That's a 19.
Number 19.
Oh,
Yeah.
no,
Yeah, that's the last one.
yeah, number 19.
I think that's on the Land Rover.
That's all time.
Fluffy seats.
You know what Pikes Peak is now?
Yeah, the mountain,
Hill Point.
the hill climb mountain thing.
Car looks like the ones at Steve's house. This is a trailer that was in Outback Truckers one time, so you should subscribe to Liam's YouTube channel.